Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Yarn on Linux Debian 11.3. Yarn is a JavaScript package manager compatible with NPM that allows automating the process of installing, updating, configuring, and removing NPM packages. It was created to solve a set of problems with the NPM, including speeding up the packages installing process by parallelizing operation and reducing the error related to network connectivity. First, I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next, I will check the IP address. Next, install the Yarn. Enable the Yarn repository by using the below command. Once the repository is enabled, add the Yarn repository to the system repository by using the command. The repository is added. Now update and install the Yarn. The Yarn is installed. Then install the packages of the Yarn by using the following commands. Once the package is installed, now check the version. With this method of the installation, Yarn on Linux Debian version 11.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.